Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you step-by-step guide how to turn off TikTok video comments. If you no longer want comments on your videos, keep this video to the end. Now as we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now go and press up on your menu button on your TikTok profile. Then press on settings and privacy. Now press on privacy. Now TikTok will bring you to this page. Press on comments. Now make sure that you press up on allow comments from. Make sure that you press right there. Now make sure that you turn on no one so that no one can comment on your TikTok videos. That's how you can turn off comments on your TikTok videos. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, guys.